Pose.
Greetings from the future. Before we begin, this AMV is the last one I am making for Mina Venus 22 for 2025. It says this is what it sounds like going to be the final AMV for this year, and I want to thank my Ohana members, Rachel, Kenzie, Sasha, Hungry Harmony, Kelsey, Austin, Rose, Katie C, Abby C, Abby Lauren, Zachary, Noah, Bailey, Julian, Cameron, Angela, Jose, aka Mega Man NG, Kayla, Joe, Icy, and Miraculous Gory. Also, I want to thank you guys for having permission to be on the cameo from Annalisa Fisher. I'm sorry she didn't have time to give you a shout out and mention your names in the video, but at least you guys are mentioned as part of the Team Heroes and Villains of the Ohana. And thank you for supporting me at this time, and remember to watch the AMV until the very end, because watch time is required. Don't take my word for it. Remember what Mega Man NG said in his video, and I quote,
"Without it, YouTube will simply bury you, your content, and your channel. Don't take my word for it. YouTube user Gothic Therapy made a video talking about it. Yes, this is most likely the second time I'm shouting them out because honestly, this is something you all should check out. And it's not just affecting me. It's affecting anyone who is a content creator here on YouTube. I'm not a fan of this decision, and given all of their recent decisions as of late, it's pretty obvious that they're desperate. And in this new tube, engagement is required. I put that in caps on my script. But personally, these guys should have made the line. And yes, I did mention it. To quote Arya from Killer Instinct 2013, evolve or die. Make your choice. That's what this new YouTube wants us to do. Either we evolve to keep up, or we die and fade away.
Evolve or die. Make your choice. Restart.
The following program is rated CFFA, cartoons for f***ing adults. Hi there, kids.
What follows is a brief flashback.
Hi, you must be new around here. Hello.
well, hello to you too. I am the friendly neighborhood Gabe. Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Gabe. It's an honor to meet someone who's so nice to me.
Well, hello to you too. How's your day going?
My day's pretty good, thank you. What's wrong?
Nothing. I just didn't expect a world-class designer to be so cute.
You're just flattering me. You're funny, Gabe Wangbala.
So, would you like to be my friend?
Sure, I'd like to be your friend. Thanks.
We hope you enjoyed this brief end of flashback.
In the daytime, I'm Marinette.
And in the daytime, I'm Adrian.
But there's something about us that no one knows yet, cause we've got a secret. Simply the best, after the best when things go wrong. Miraculous, the luckiest, and how I felt always so strong. Miraculous, miraculous. Look out, here we come! Vacata. そうしよう。
Thanks, Mom. It's my time to shine.
This is it! We're rooting for you guys!
Show us what you got, first years!
How's this? Can you see okay?
As for me, I want to see your smile.
Hope they can pull this off.
Don't tell me you're nervous. I'm looking forward to this banger.
I don't care what you think. Besides, aren't you on patrol?
I'm only gonna watch like one jam.
There are some students who blame Class A for the school's current situation, and they haven't tried to hide how unhappy they are. They're not here to have a good time. This isn't entertainment for them. They want to criticize, or even better, see our class fail.
A song and dance performance, huh? Even if they don't completely blow it. They're really just showing off, aren't they?
You know?
Ready, Rangers? Time to create a new legend!
Ready? Come on, girls! Let's do this! Right!
Let's rock and roll, boys!
Huh?
Wait.
I start believing in myself again.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I know understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my lives all collided.
You can plant me in a field of fire, but I don't care! I'll bet you big bucks I could rumble with Dialga and Pokey and they'd beg for mercy!
I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead.
Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. Silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes, we're still survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back, but now
your applause till the end.
Special cameo.
Hi, Chelsea. It's me, Sublime. The party is starting soon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chelsea. Happy birthday to you. I can't believe you're turning 21. Happy birthday, Chelsea. I wanted to wish you luck on your voice acting, Fortnite, Roblox, and Gabe on Kirby Air Riders. I hope you guys have an absolutely amazing September. There was so much in this request. I'm sorry I couldn't get to all of it, but I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. And as Annalisa say that you had a question for me of how I got the role of Sublime, Snow Sugar, and Firefly. I've been voice acting since I was 5. I have my own agent. They send us auditions, and we do our best work and hope we get cast, and every now and then something, clicks and the characters just mesh. So Snow Sugar and Firefly and Sublime are all really close to my heart. But all of them I did audition for and then was able to get the role, which is really cool, and I'm really grateful. And I'm grateful for people like you for loving my little characters as much as I do. So yeah, I hope you have an incredibly happy birthday. This is from Team Heroes and the Villains of Ohana to you, Chelsea, for your birthday. Yes, alright. Well, I hope you have a great birthday, and very last thing that I will do is
Hey, is this thing on? Perfect. So my name's Chelsea. My really close friends call me Nina. My Ohana call me Nina. Oh, I'm getting quite a bit ahead of myself. There's a quick memory that you guys you need. It's meeting you. And this is how it starts. Wow. This is amazing. Okay, so I love K-pop Demon Hunters along with Sailor Moon, Miraculous Ladybug, and Cat Noir, The Adventures of really good. Monster High, Dracula is my favorite, Atomic Betty, and so much more. I also love my Ohana, my boyfriend Mark, my own family, and the heroes and villains of the team. I know Rumi relates to me because I had my own insecurities as a kid, and I had anxiety like Utaru, but now with the animated music videos that Gabe makes along the way with the cameo of Annalisa, this is one of the greatest things that has ever happened to me! This song and Isabella's, we're in this together, along with Ash and Dawn's theme meaning. We're a huge Ohana, and it means family, and nobody gets left behind. Anyone can make a difference. To be a hero or a villain, depending on who you really are. And anyone can choose a path that they believe, and all it takes is to go beyond. Plus, Ultra, and Annalise Fisher, Sublime, Sugar Cookie, Firefly. Thanks for the gift. I really respect it. And now, I want to give a shout out to the heroes and villains of the group, which is Mackenzie, Rachel, Jenny, Noah, Zachary, Bailey, Sasha, Stitch, Pikachu, Hungarian Harmony, Kelsey, Adrian, Agrest, Austin, Rose, Katie, Abby, C, Abby, L, Julian, Cameron, Angelina, Jose, Kayla, Joe, Marie, and Miraculous Glory. Thank you guys and girls so much for this amazing letter. And I love you. Oh my God. Love you guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the most amazing person in the universe. Happy birthday to you.
we've earned a rest.
You came back.
Nobody gets left behind.
I remember memories from a long, long time ago. I can hear you calling me to never let you go. As the sun shines down on me, I hold the key to give. Take hold of the destiny I may give you life. Can you stay forevermore? Or are you gonna leave for me? No matter what it takes for me, I'll find you. Just to be with you one more time. A smile will find my way, my love.
The legend will never die.